In this demonstration you will learn to do two-way data binding through the ngModel directive. Let us start with a normal HTML page with HTML head and body tag. Next, we need to add the AngularJS file to this HTML page. As this is a JavaScript file, we can add this like any other external JavaScript file. We can download this file from the AngularJS website through your computer and make it available, or we can link it to any content delivery network like Google. In this case, let us link to a copy of local AngularJS file. I have already downloaded and saved a copy in the same folder where our HTML page is stored. We can see the added link to angular.min.js here. Then, we need to inform the Angular which section of the HTML will be controlled by AngularJS by the ngApp directive. It is possible to add the ngApp directive directly to the root HTML element itself or to any of the elements present in an HTML page. Here we are adding it to the div element. We have added a module named myApp. Now, we need to define our app module and controllers. The module is a container for different parts of an application like controllers. Controllers always belong to a module. We define our app and give it the name myApp. The square bracket following it will hold any other dependency of our app. In this case, we do not have any dependency and we leave it as an empty array. Then, we add the controller of our application with the name myController. This controller has a function $scope as an argument. We define two properties, first name and last name on scope object. After this we make use of this myController in our view as an attribute of this development. Here in HTML, first name and last name are AngularJS data binding expression. Data binding in AngularJS binds AngularJS expressions with AngularJS data. For example, first name is bound with ngModel equal to first name. Then, we add the first name and last name together in this AngularJS expression to get the whole name. Now, let us open this app in a browser. Here we are achieving two-way data binding through this ngModel directive. Initially, first name and last name got their values from $scope object. Since we have typed it through ngModel directive, whenever the user or app changes the entry, they get changed. so we can influence the model from viewer model. Now you have learned how to do two-way data binding through the ngModel directive. Click the close button to end the demonstration.